today we'll be making an adorable fall ribbon wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 2-inch wide wire edge ribbon, Chanel stems, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my ribbon into 8-inch long pieces, and I have cut my stems into thirds. Now, I always like to go with 2-inch wide wire edge ribbon, but it honestly doesn't have to be wire edge, and it can be as wide or as thin as you'd like. So if there's a specific style of ribbon that you absolutely love, I say, hey, go for it. But for this specific wreath, we are going to go with wire edge. The wire edge, I will say, does help with maneuvering and manipulating the wreath a little bit better than non-wire edge ribbon. But it's not impossible. Alright, so I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to crisscross 3 pieces so that all 3 pieces are visible, just like that. I'm going to scrunch. Take my stem, place it around the center, and twist it a couple of times. Then I'm going to just kind of fan it out, make sure it's nice and full. I'm going to make all of my bundles first, and then I'll start adding it to my wreath ring. You could make them and place them as you go, but I just personally feel like it's a lot faster to make all of the bundles first and then add it to your wreath ring all together. So I'm just going to make some bundles. You can have fun with it and add different patterns, different styles, whatever you prefer. And I'm going with 3 pieces of ribbon in each bundle, but I've used as many as 5 pieces in each bundle, and it all looks great. Just depends on how poofy you want your wreath to be. And this ribbon is actually nice and stiff, so I feel like it's going to make a pretty decent sized wreath. If your ribbon is like thinner, I've used some sheer ribbon, and I used about 6 pieces in each bundle for that one. So just adjust according to what style of ribbon you are going to use. Alright, I'm going to get all of my bundles made, and then we will start adding it to our wreath ring. So I have all of my bundles made. Now we're going to start adding it to our wreath ring. So there are many ways you can add your bundles. I usually go with 3 bundles in each section, outer, inner, outer, outer, inner, outer, and go around like that. Especially with the thicker, stiffer ribbon. When I have thinner ribbon, I will definitely add 4 or 5 bundles to each section. So again, it just depends on the ribbon that you are using. But for this specific style of ribbon, I'm going to add 3 bundles to each section, starting on the outer inner ring. Placing my bundle, twisting it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. Another bundle on the inner ring, twisting it a couple of times, and then tucking away. And then coming back to my outer inner ring, twisting a couple of times, and then tucking away. So as you see, it goes very quickly when you have all of your bundles made. So that's just one section. I'm going to get more sections placed and show you what it's looking like. The more bundles you get placed, the more you're able to kind of maneuver it and adjust it as you see fit. This is what it's looking like so far. So cute and precious. Alright, I'm going to continue on and show you the finished product. So I'm just going around fluffing and flaring out my ribbon bundles. Just making sure they're nice and fluffed, and it looks so cute and precious. You can definitely add an adorable sign to the center. You can add any additional embellishments you prefer, or you could just leave it like this. Again, I've done both ways, so it just depends on the style that you're going for. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.